Oh, you've got another one. Hi, Sarah.
Hello.
Oh, feeling great.
So good.
What flavour did you get?
Manuka honey.
Yummy!
And it smells like caramel ice cream.
It does smell like caramel ice cream.
But I don't think I did a very good job at applying it all over my face.
Yeah, that
evenly.
work is great. Very even covering of the face. Great job.
Show yourself then.
No, oh hey, up the nose shot. That was odd. Oh no, I got my hair in it.
Mask. I look like have you seen House of Wax?
No.
Oh.
It looks scary though.
Look like someone out of
I'm
House
too
of
scared
Wax.
to watch it. Mine's oatmeal flavour and it's really thick and creamy. I don't know how I feel about it. It's really cold. Peanut!
Oh, I didn't even see Millie there.
Peanut!
Oh, she's all propped on the pillow. Peanut.
Peanut! There's my beautiful girlfriend.
Look, I could just pick this up.
I know she's so little, but let her sleep, let her rest. Oh my gosh! Oh, Simba!
Nah, singing.
I don't know how it goes. I have not seen that movie since I was like a little kid.
Well, we have to watch it then.
Yes.
Hello.
Hey.
How you going?
I have oatmeal on my face.
Yeah,
I don't
you
know how I
do.
feel about it. It's very chunky.
Looks
like-
lovely.
Oh, thank you. It's
No
my new
worries.
look. Did one of the dogs just fart? I think Minnie
I think
just
it's burped.
farted. I'm gonna go sit by the fire now
Yay.
and have snacks and drink wine.
And what did we buy
I'm not gonna
today?
drink wine. We bought
In our big haul from Kmart.
matching undies.
Yes.
Yeah. Sarah bought some pajamas. We bought Toblerone. We bought a toasty maker.
Oh yeah. $7.50.
$7.50.
What a bargain.
We just decided to buy one and now we're gonna make toasties.
Yay!
It's a good one where the things seal on the edges.
Yummy.
So it's good. Now I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Cheers, biggies.
Clink.
I was just about to say the same thing. Get out of my head.
Get out.
Get out of my head. Got the little fire going. Gonna have some Toblerone.
Yummy.
Yummy! In my tummy. So can I open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just
gonna have one cube. No, it's not a cube. It's a triangle. It's a prism.
Oh, babe.
Hits the spot.
Are we gonna make that sex tape?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's an elbow. I mean, it's not an elbow.
Oh my god.
No.
It's an elbow. That's a
Oh my
funny
god, it's a
elbow,
shoulder.
I think.
That doesn't have the same impact. Sarah's marvelous creation. Tongs. Fire.
Toblerone.
Fire.
Fire.
Wait, we just fucked up that order so badly. How's your little creation, Sarah?
That was really hot.
Oh, did you burn your tongue?
It's not yet.
Oh. It's gonna be really hot though.
Comes.
No, don't. Overwhelming me. It's really hot. It's gonna be hot.
Smile. Smile. Oh, babe. I think it just. Oh no, it dripped on the carpet. Oh no, the dogs. Oh no. Oh no. It's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow up.
I'm so messy.
Show me your teeth, babe. Pretty. Such a pretty girl.
Hang on. Oh my god. Is it mixing with my mask? The reason why I laughed, hang on, pause,
Yeah.
that was the mask, that wasn't chocolate. Is there chocolate on my face still?
No, you're all good.
Don't, just, Sarah, don't hold it vertically. vertically. Hold it horizontally.
Because-
Now it looks like I've
oh
shut
my
myself.
god, it's dripping everywhere.
That's what she
Babe,
said.
these dogs are gonna explode. They're not allowed chocolate. Oh. Oh no. It's
my
on his back.
She's licking my vagina. This is a strange situation. Come in peace.
You nink.
It's got it in her fur, Sarah. How could you do that?
Babe, you've got
Chocolate everywhere. Okay.
a little. Look at me for a sec. Yeah, you got a little something something. On your lip. What would you rate this face mask out of 10?
I would give it a well, we'll have to see when I take it off. Won't we?
Yes, we will.
Yes, we shall. Well, only time will tell. Stay
Signing
tuned.
out.
Signing out. Amy out. Sarah out.